think I'm humble and kind and strong.
Fearless, courageous.
Beautiful.
You go out there and you get them, girl.
As an Indian woman who's like grown up in America, I know I'm beautiful. I don't have to subscribe to the Eurocentric standards.
I may look different on the outside, but on the inside, I define beauty, and I would say that beauty defines me.
I am a transgender woman and I'm very proud of it.
I'm 62 years old. It's not easy talking about your wrinkles and going through menopause. And it changes. You go through so many changes as father time goes on.
By August, I started my first chemo. My hair was gone. My skin texture was changing. I didn't look like myself. And I look back on the journey now, I'm so thankful for the experience of losing everything I thought was me, because I realized that underneath it was really who I was.
I've just seen myself go from like this 18-year-old girl who was so scared and alone and, insecure to like this 22-year-old who is so confident. It's okay to take up space and feel good about what you have to offer.
The more someone doubts me, the more I'm going to do whatever I put my mind to.
I can't even explain how big of a difference and an impact it's been for me to have the women in my life that I have.
Without my mother's guidance, I wouldn't be the person that I am today.
They have taught me so much more about being a woman than I could have ever thought. Not just about how you present yourself, not about what you wear. It's how you are on the inside, how your spirit fights.